Hello everyone. So first we are going to make a seal by using our hand shape. First we're gonna make the main structure of the seal. Then we're gonna give it some details like eyes, nose, mustache and the fins. Then we are going to draw a ball on the top. Then we are going to color it with blue color and it is completed. Next, we are going to make a beautiful scenery including this house. Starting by the house itself, we are going to detail it like the doors, windows, and then we are going to make a chimney on the top. After it is completed, we will move ahead towards the surroundings. We're going to make a tree beside the house, starting by its trunk and then the green part. After that, we're going to make a pathway also, and when it is completed, we are going to make a small plant front of the house and it's ready. Next, we are going to make a dog by using our hand shape. First, we're going to make the face of the dog. Then, we are going to highlight the details like eyes, nose, and then the mouth. After that, we will draw the sharp teeth of this dog, which looks good and scary as well. Then, we are going to give it a detail. After that, you can color it with any color you want. Here, we have used some sketch pens. Here, we are coloring the dog with black and grey color as you can clearly see, and it is completed. You can even add more details if you want to it so that it could look more good and attractive. Let's move ahead towards the next drawing. Here we are making a scenery including a house. Starting by making the house, we are going to make the structure of the house. Then we are going to give the details like windows, doors and the chimney. Then we're going to move ahead towards the details like the tree, bird and this wooden fencing also. Then we are going to color the drawing as per your choice. You can color it and you can see it's ready.